Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use the website Virtual Writing Tutor. You'll see it is really useful and helpful for your work at school. You can do a lot of things with it. So as you know, in our field of study, as police technology, we must have some good grades. The grammar, expressions, and structure is really important when we handing in homework or a teamwork. So here's the thing. You put your text in the text area here, like this, and you click on the Check Grammar button. It will show you what is wrong with your text so you can correct it by yourself here. So of course it's a text of internet, so it is already corrected. Except there's a space between the words and the little dot, and in English it's a fault, so don't do that. Of course, you can also hear the good pronunciation by clicking on the little microphone here. With that, you can prepare yourself for example, an interview or an oral presentation. You just listen to good pronunciation and you can practice at home. But there's a little NB with it. It can take a little while when you push that button. So make sure you just click only one time on it. If not, you will hear two persons speaking at the same time and it's really annoying. It's not going to help you at all. And with that website, it can also help you to make a glossary or just to give you some vocabulary related to your field of study. You put your text in their text area again, and you click on the Check Vocabulary button here. You're going to choose Field Related Vocabulary. I'll pick 3 fields of study, but you can take 10 fields or the best one if you want. You click Check. So there is the results. You take the one is the best for you, but for me, I'll choose police technology here, which is what we are studying. And you click on the little button here, click here for more information related to this field of study. You arrived on another website that can help you too. You'll find some words, some definitions that you can add to your work or at the end of your work. And if you do, don't forget to mention it in your work with that. Really important, guys. And finally, if this part is too complicated for you, don't worry. You can also go on my blog, Black and Blue Family, to see my police glossary. Maybe it can help you as well. So thank you guys and see you for our next tutorial. Bye!